circular functions. So, inverse trig functions, there's two different ways that you will hear me refer to them. I'll either say arc sine or inverse sine. They mean the same thing for the purposes of this class. If you go on and major in math, they're going to tell you they don't mean the same thing, but for all intents and purposes, they do. So, for inverse sine, if we're looking at our unit circle, good enough. Inverse sine occurs on this side over here. And it occurs from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So normally these angle values down here are 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 3, 7 pi over 4, 11 pi over 6, all the way up to 2 pi. But now it's just like a mirror of the top. It's negative pi over 6, negative pi over 4, negative pi over 3, and negative pi over 2. So that's going to be the big difference of what you have to get your mind wrapped around that. When you're writing your values, you have to write it like that. So this occurs from negative pi over 2, less than theta, less than pi over 2. Actually, these are less than or equal to, because we can be equal to there. Then cosine, so inverse cosine. Cosine exists on the top. And this one's nice and easy. It's just from 0 to pi. So 0 less than or equal to theta, less than or equal to pi. Then inverse tangent. So inverse tangent looks just like inverse sine. It occurs down here in the or on the right side, I mean. So it occurs from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. But this one is just 0 less than theta less than pi over 2 because tangent would be undefined at negative pi over 2 and at pi over 2. Or wait, I wrote this wrong. This is supposed to be negative pi over 2, not 0.